Congress MP and leaders of the oppositions in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi has arrived in Assam, Silchar today ahead of his scheduled visit to Manipur. During his stays in Assam, he is expected to meet with people affected by the severe floods that have recently ravaged the state, according to a Stats Party spokesperson. This marks Gandhi's visit to the northeast since assuming the role as leader of oppositions. His visit comes at a critical time as Assam grapples with the aftermath of days of torrential rainfalls that have led to the widespread flooding, landslides and overflowing rivers. The devastating deluge has impacted approximately 22.70 lakhs across 28 districts. Gandhi's visit aims to assess the situations on the grounds and provide support to those affected by the natural disaster. The Congress leaders' itinerary includes meetings with the local officials and floods victims to understand their immediate needs and the challenges. Following his visits to Assam, Gandhi will proceed to Manipur's Jiribam, a state currently facing significant unrest. He is expected to visit a flood relief camps in Lakhimpur and interact with the people who have taken refuge there, the spokesperson said. The camp lies along the routes that Rahul Gandhi will take to reach Manipur's Jiribam district, according to a party spokesperson. After visiting Jiribam, Gandhi will return to Silchar airport in Assam and then fly to Imphal to continue the next leg of his Manipur tour. Gandhi will visit the relief camps in Churachampur and Moirang. It may be mentioned here that since May 3rd of last year, Manipur have been experiencing ethnic violence between the Meiteis and the Kuki communities, resulting in over 200 deaths so far.